Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, LED headlights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.